Hey people, how y'all doing? The Dead Zone here. Today I'm checking out this building that was under construction, and it was started several months ago, but the project was never finished. It's been sitting here like this for a few months, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm curious as to what this was going to be used as. Maybe a store, maybe a restaurant, who knows. Maybe they ran out of funding for the project. That's why they just left it like this. Well, they did finish laying the cement for a second floor. Look at this. And they started installing the steel frame. And then they just got up and vanished. It's amazing that they just left the project behind, didn't finish it. So who knows if they're ever going to come back and complete the project. It'd be a waste of material just to leave all this like behind. So hopefully they will come back and finish what they started. Look at that right here, little pool of water. Look right there, somebody left behind a can of beer. Actually, there's several bottles left behind here. And some graffiti on the walls. Alright, well that's it for this episode. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all later.